Warning, this video may contain foul language and crude humor and is meant for an adult audience. Please be advised. Welcome to another edition of War Journal Toys. I am Jason, your toy vigilante, here to be your forward observer in your toy hunting missions. Let's get into this. So today we are highlighting Masters of the Universe Origins Stridor Heroic Armored Warhorse. Let's get into this. So, I found this online on eBay. I didn't realize they were out. I saw it. It was in one of my searches, and I was like, "Wait a minute, that's a new one. That's not a vintage one, because there's some vintage package Stridors up on eBay, and they're going for 150 bucks ish." And I ran across this, and I was like, "No fucking way!" So some sellers in California had these. I saw a video today. I can't remember the guy's name, and I apologize, but he was saying that these were seen at the Mattel stores. I don't know where any of the Mattel stores are, but apparently a friend of his saw them there. He didn't actually have one. He just had a screenshot of one, but I have one right here, and we're going to take a look at this. And I'm actually going to open this one because this, if you look at the way he's set up in there, he's kind of scrunched down to fit in the box, and he really needs to stretch his legs. So let's take a look at it. So you got the artwork on the front, Masters of the Universe Stridor Heroic Armored Warhorse. It's interesting that Fisto's not on top, but He-Man is the man. So he's riding in Stridor. I can't remember off the top of my head who's in Stridor on the artwork on the vintage one. I'll have to look at that, but there's Fisto. And then if you look really carefully, that is the Terror Claws, I believe. Whatever you want to call it, halter top or whatever that Skeletor's wearing inside Roton. And then, of course, I think that's, I forget, Screech. But what's interesting, too, is this person up here that you can't see his face. He's got a shield and that big dagger kind of spear-looking thing, but without the stick part, and wings. I don't know who he is. We shall see. He might be Sunman? I can't tell. But you got He-Man and Stridor. And why I went for this one was the legs actually move and it's articulated, so we'll be able to set them up in a badass pose with some. I'm going to end up putting Fisto inside there. I got a brand new Fisto in the case that I picked up from Walmart. I was trying to get Wave 6, and I ended up with pretty much Wave 5. And I already had Wave 5, so this one we're going to end up opening. This package Fisto I'll show you here in a second. And there's the artwork in the end. Some little creature with some hellacious teeth. Now we'll get to the other side. And this is a big box, guys. I mean, this is a damn... I mean, it's a small box, but the horse is going to be fucking big because he's scrunched down in there. There's another creature. Now let's get to the artwork in the back. I'll set it so you can take in the whole shot. See if I'll get rid of that so you can see the artwork. So you got the good bird, which I don't remember the name. You got Castle Grayskull, He-Man on Stridor. There was something else that was in here that was interesting. Where did I see it? No, it wasn't here. Where did I see that? I thought in a shot I saw the evil horse in one of these pictures kind of kicking back in the corner, and I wanted to point it out. But there's the lineup for Wave 7, Jiu-Jitsu, or Jitsu, Stratos, Buzz-Off, Sorceress, and then Flying Fist He-Man, so he's going to be available soon. And Terror Claws Skeletor, which I nicknamed Stripper Skeletor, and I'll do a video on that at a point. Evil Leader with the claw swinging action. And then, of course, the MVP of the day, Stridor, Heroic Armored Warhorse. So we're going to look at him. So he comes with a base, and it looks like he has one of those clear things like that comes with the Sky Sled and the Wind Raider. But he comes with like some fencing, a base, and then the clear piece to hold him, to support him. And then apparently it attaches to the floor of Castle Grayskull, replaced with second helmet. So there's two versions of the helmet. You got that version there, and then the armored version. It comes with a couple guns. And then he comes with these blast effects that slide over the guns. You get 3 of them. They're in the back there. You got the 2 front guns, and you get some reins, which is interesting. The first one did not have that, I believe. And there's the armored helmet back there. So, since I'm working with minimal space, I'm going to let you take a quick... Oh, before I forget, there is the UPC. So if you guys are... That's the way you guys look for stuff. And I noticed too, there's no... Here, I'll show you on another thing. On the back of... Give me a second. On the back of stuff that's going to go into South America, Mexico, Spain, usually has that stamp, and or the Republica of Argentina stamp. Of course, they both have the UK, Canada stamp. So I think there's going to be a Latin American version of this box. So I'm going to keep a lookout. See if maybe I can pick it up if it isn't astronomical. But yeah, I picked this up off eBay. And here in a second, we're going to open it. I'm going to pause it and open it. I'm going to pull it out of its plastic and then show you guys, and then I'll pause it again when I take him out, because there are rubber bands right there and around his neck. So you guys don't need to listen to the plastic crunching. Okay, we'll be right back. And we're back. So I slid it out. It's a one piece thing. So it's all, the plastic's all taped in there. So you got the rubber bands here, here, here. You got the helmet, which is also tied in. So the blast effects are right there. The stickers are adhered. You got the gun, which is cool. See how, yep. It's nice and stiff. It's not wonky. Got his tail. So let's get him out of here, and we'll be right back. And we're back again. So yeah, he was pretty tight in there. I think I cut 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, like seven rubber bands to get him out. But this character is awesome, guys. I'm really glad I picked this up, because I remember as a kid, his legs didn't move very much, and he was just kind of like frozen in time, kind of like the old Battle Cat and Panther. But this one, he's fully articulated. Let's get some light in here. There we go. So he moves at the hip, moves at the knee, and each hoof moves also. His tail doesn't really move, which is okay. I'm not going to force it. Gun moves. Got the seat. What's really cool too is his head is very articulated here and up at the neck. He's got his little helmet. This is I think the OG version. Got a sticker there. Got the holes for where the guns go. It's got his grill. See, even Stridor has a grill. So he comes with, let's see if we can set him up reasonable. Alright, so he comes with an alternate helmet, which is really detailed. No paint, but some people that'll be okay. And then it comes with the reins and the bit. So that goes in the mouth. And then you got the reins for the character to hold on to. You get 3 of these blast effects. Kind of a cool color. Slides on the end of the gun. Like so. It's kind of tight. They definitely are not going to fall off. And then the guns. Then you get the clear stand, like I mentioned. It's like the Sky Raider. And, yep, see? Another one of those damn rubber bands. Like the Sky Raider and the Wind Raider. Or the Wind Raider and the Sky Sled. But it articulates there. Comes with this base. Has a little picket. Then it has a hole for the big picket that was snapped in the back of the plastic. So you gotta snap that in. And then the base of this snaps in here. So I'll quickly do that. And so you get that. Now, mind you, Stridor can stand up by himself. I don't know how well he can stand up on 2 legs by himself. We shall see. But let's put on the armored helmet. What you gotta get his ears in there. He doesn't see very well with the armored helmet, but kind of looks cool. I don't know. It's interesting. He's got a spring mechanism in his... There we go. Now we're working the gears. So you can't really see out of that. It's kind of shitty. If you dig it, cool. I'm probably not going to have this one on. I'm going to probably stick with the original. This version. Just because you can see his eyes, because he's got nice metallic blue eyes. And let's go ahead and snap in the guns. Pretty sure it goes in that way or that way. That way. Small side in. There's, can turn the guns. And then the reins. So there he is. Now I got a package Fisto, which I'm going to break him out real quick. We're going to pause the video again and put him in the horse. And we're back again. So we got Fisto here, fresh out of the package, ready to whoop some ass. So we're going to put him in here. And I don't want to forget, I got to measure this guy so you guys know how big this thing is. Come on, buddy. There we go. Wow, he fits all the way in there. I think this one's probably bigger. It seems like the Origin stuff is bigger than the... Yeah. Look at that. He looks good in there. Got his fucking sword. Got his reins. Got his guns. Got his other guns. Put a blast effect on the back end. Covering his ass. Let's turn Fisto's. There we go. I'm not gonna bother putting on the green part. Look at that, guys. That's awesome. Very, very nice toy. So let's break out the tape measure. So up to his ears is about 8 inches or so. And let me slide this tape in here, from tail to nose, he's about 11 inches long. And girth, he is about 3.5, 4 inches wide. So this is a pretty big toy. Very awesome. But I wanted to show you guys this because I ran across it on eBay, and sometimes people don't like getting stuff on eBay, but if I'm the toy vigilante, I do what it takes to get the toys I want. And if I have to go to eBay and maybe spend a little bit more money and have it first before everybody else, it's kind of the way I like to roll. So, I'm Jason. This is War Journal Toys. Kicking it with fucking Stridor and Fisto, rocking it. And if you like my content, please like, share, subscribe. I'm almost at 100 subscribers, which is unbelievable. When I started this channel on 4th of July weekend of this year, I got almost 100 subscribers, and hopefully I will by the end of this year. To my subscribers, thank you for subscribing. And I'll see you on the next one.